How to make only your friends can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see what others post on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines at the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click profile and tagging, and here you will find who can see what others post on your profile. And now just click friends and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.